To create a vertical time scrolling text effect in CapCut for PC, first add your text layer and type your list of times. At the start of the clip, add a position keyframe. Then go to the end of the clip and drag the text upward until the last time is centered. This adds a second keyframe. Return to the first keyframe and drag the text down until the first time is centered in the same position. Right-click the text and select Show Variable Speed Animation. For the y-axis, open Preset Curves and select Circular Ease. Right-click the text again and choose Create Compound Clip. Select this new clip, go to Video, then Mask, and add a rectangle mask. Adjust the mask to frame a single line of your text and use feathering to soften the edges.